Owning rental property in Columbus, Georgia can be a powerful way to build long-term wealth, even if you live hundreds or thousands of miles away. But distance doesn't reduce responsibility. As an out-of-state landlord, staying compliant with Georgia's evolving rental laws is essential to protecting your investment, maintaining strong tenant relationships, and avoiding costly legal issues. In this video, we'll explore the key compliance requirements every remote property owner should know and how the right local support can make managing your rental both easier and more profitable. Managing a rental property from another state comes with unique challenges. Tenant communication, maintenance coordination, legal requirements, and local regulations all continue whether you're nearby or not. The farther away you are, the more important it becomes to have systems and local resources in place that keep your property operating smoothly and legally. Legal compliance starts with understanding Georgia's landlord-tenant laws and keeping up with any changes that affect rental property owners. Out-of-state landlords must also ensure tenants have reliable communication channels and that maintenance concerns are addressed quickly. Recent Georgia regulations have increased the importance of having qualified local representation available to respond to tenant needs and property-related issues. Staying proactive today can help prevent expensive problems tomorrow. When you have trusted local professionals overseeing day-to-day operations, issues get resolved faster and compliance becomes much easier to maintain. Local expertise helps ensure repairs are handled efficiently, tenant concerns are addressed promptly, and your property remains aligned with Georgia's legal requirements. That's peace of mind every out-of-state landlord can appreciate. Successful rental ownership is about more than collecting rent. It's about protecting your asset, reducing risk, and creating positive experiences for tenants. Professional property management can simplify compliance, improve communication, reduce vacancies, and help your investment perform at its best. Companies like 1020 Property Management help out-of-state owners stay informed, organized, and confident in their rental operations. If you're an out-of-state landlord in Columbus, Georgia, don't leave compliance and property performance to chance. Let 1020 Property Management help you navigate legal requirements, protect your investment, and deliver a better experience for your tenants. Contact 1020 Property Management today and discover how professional local management can help you achieve lasting success and complete peace of mind.